AI is changing the world faster than anyone expected. Right now, people in the United States are using simple AI tools to make money online every single day. And the shocking part? Most of them have no special skills, no degree, and no experience. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you earn money in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. 1. ChatGPT. The AI money machine ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a full-time income tool if you know how to use it correctly. People are using ChatGPT to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, write emails and ads, offer freelancing services. Businesses in the USA pay good money for content, and ChatGPT does most of the work for you. You just guide it. This is one of the easiest AI tools for beginners to start making money online. 2. Pictory AI Faceless YouTube Income. Pictory AI turns text into videos automatically. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. People are using this tool to create YouTube automation channels, TikTok videos, motivation, and AI content. With the right niche and consistency, faceless channels are making passive income every month. 3. 11 Labs, AI voice that pays. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic American voices. Content creators, businesses, and YouTubers are constantly looking for voiceovers. You can use this tool to narrate YouTube videos, create audiobooks, do voice work for ads. This is one of the highest demand AI services right now in the USA market. 4. Canva AI, design without skills. Canva AI allows anyone to design like a professional. People are using it to create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business logos, digital products. Small businesses in the US pay for simple designs every day. With Canva AI, you don't need design experience, just creativity. 5. Copy AI/Jasper. High-paying AI writing businesses need sales pages, emails, and ads. Copy AI and Jasper help create persuasive content in minutes. People use these tools to run email marketing campaigns, write product descriptions, create ad copy. This is where the real money is because businesses care about sales. Bonus tip: combine AI tools, 7 to 740. The smartest people don't use one AI tool. They combine multiple tools together. For example, ChatGPT for ideas, Pictory for videos, 11 Labs for voice, Canva for thumbnails. That's how AI automation works. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. If you want more videos about AI tools, online income, and future-proof skills, subscribe now and start working smarter, not harder.